Machine learning and AI were just jargons for me. But as and when my journey started with great learning in AI and ML, that is when I started realizing that no, it is much more simple. I thought that machine learning is where a lot of statistics is required, a lot of high-end programming and all those things is involved. But as and when my journey started with great learning in AI and ML, that is when I started realizing that no, it is much more simple. Rather, I would say that it is made simple by great learning and University of Texas Austin. The faculties have been fantastic. Videos, no doubt about it. At end of each and every video session, there were practice modules which were provided to us. We also had a project discussion forum where anybody in the team who was working on the project had got any doubts can come and raise their questions and the team would answer them. Our mentor had been so fantastic because she has been working in industry. She knows how to implement the things and what are the problems that come when you're working on the project. So she gave us in-depth information. If there were situations where we had to extend those sessions for getting answered our questions, mentor never ever resisted for that.